Hello, this is my final map, and my major is that provide an accurate and objective map to show highly educated people who have higher than bachelor degree and their density around libraries in Columbus area. And my intent audience is for library managers. And as you can see, this is a dot density map, and my purpose is that although there has many volunteers in the library, it doesn't have full-time volunteers in the libraries. To be honest, these kids are really smart and I really want to help them, so I would like to suggest library managers to figure out where to build where to find volunteers to help these kids, and this map will help them find where highly educated people are located. And if they want to build another library, they can easily figure out where is the best place to locate.